Wait, can these two colors create magic? Watch these little learners discover something amazing.
Today, we're going to mix two colors and discover a brand new color together.
That the children mix the red and yellow inside the bowl together.
Wow! Orange!
Did you see that? Red and yellow became orange. That's learning through discovery.
Now let's try blue and yellow. Can you guess what color we'll make next?
Amazing!
Blue and yellow make green.
Through Montessori activities, children develop observation skills, creativity, concentration, and confidence.
If you want your child to learn in a simple and fun way, join Cambridge Montessori Preschool.
The solution for fresh, healthy learning is right here. Admissions are now open.